If you have a 2025 plate Golf and you either need to tow it, which hopefully wouldn't be the case because that would mean you're broken down, or like our example, we need to line it up on a 2-post lift, then you need to turn off the Rollaway. So you press the car button at the top and then come out the favourites. You scroll right and you'll see brakes. You press brakes and you can see that the Rollaway protection, you can deactivate it. To deactivate it, you can't be in park. So what we need to do is move into neutral, and then it'll come up on screen, Rollaway protection will be deactivated. Press OK, and then it will deactivate the Rollaway. You will see that on screen it is in neutral, and now when you open the door or do anything that normally put it into park and put the handbrake on, you'll be able to roll the vehicle or tow it. That is how you do it. Hopefully that has helped somebody, because it took me a while to Google online and figure it out. So we thought we'd do this video just to help people. If anybody else is struggling, we've been able to either roll it or tow it. If you like the video, that would help us a lot. Subscribe and we'll see you on the next one.